Sherwin-Williams for the pros.
You can keep freshly painted walls looking great for years with a few easy tips.
Care and maintenance.
New construction often leaves traces of drywall dust on the walls. To clean them, vacuum the surface with a soft brush attachment. A HEPA vacuum is the best option for capturing the dust and keeping air free of residual particles. You can also cover a broom or mop with a clean, dry cloth and wipe them gently. An electrostatic type cloth will do the best job of capturing the dust. Repeat this procedure for routine maintenance as well. A little time spent keeping walls dust-free will minimize the need for more extensive cleaning in the future. Inevitably, stains or scuff marks happen. Wait at least 30 days before using any kind of cleaning agent on interior walls. To spot clean walls painted with a latex paint, mix a small amount of non-abrasive, all-purpose detergent like Dawn dish liquid in warm water. Avoid harsh chemicals that can mar the paint or impact indoor air quality. Dip a sponge or soft cloth into the water and wring it out well. Too much water can harm the finish. Test your cleaning solution in an inconspicuous area first to make sure it's compatible with your coating. Next, rub the stained area gently. When the dirt or stain has disappeared, wipe the area again with another clean, damp cloth to remove any remaining cleanser. Otherwise, the area is likely to attract dirt and need to be cleaned again in a short time. Stubborn marks or stains may require a bit more attention. For these situations, use 409 or Fantastic with a clean, non-abrasive pad. Always wipe the area with a clean rag dampened with fresh water when you finish. For woodwork or walls painted with a solvent-based paint, follow the same procedure, mixing a few drops of mild grease-cutting detergent into warm water. Wet your cloth or sponge, wring out the excess, and rub gently. If that doesn't work, try dampening a clean rag with 409 or Fantastic to remove the stain. Outside, it's common for dirt or even mildew to accumulate on siding. Typically, these types of stains can be removed with a soft scrub brush and detergent solution, or by pressure washing. Over time, a little dirt is inevitable. Cleaning spots and stains as they happen will extend the life of the paint and enhance the long-term appeal of any home.
Cover the earth. Sherwin-Williams.